Good morning students. Till yesterday we have completed with our exercise, that was exercise 1.2. Now we are going to start with our next topic. Chapter 1. Rational numbers. Okay. So our next topic is properties of additions of rational numbers. Properties of addition of rational numbers. See, we have already studied the properties of addition of integers. Then the properties of addition of rational numbers are similar to the integers. First property is closure property. Property first, which is the first property, closure property. Yes. What does the closure property says? The sum of two rational number is always a rational number. The sum of two rational number is always a rational number. Say, if I say A upon B is one rational number and C upon D is another rational number, then A upon B plus C upon D is also a rational number. For example, if I take example 3 upon 4 plus 7 upon 3. Now solve it. 4 and 3 LCM will be 12. Right? Now 3 into 3 plus 7 into 4. Now solve it. 3 3s are 9 plus 7 into 4 is 28 upon 12. 28 plus 9 is 37. 37 upon 12. See, what does rational number means? The number which is in the form of P upon Q. So here we got the form P upon Q, so it is a rational number. Thus the property approves that the sum of any two rational number is also always a rational number. Second property, is commutative property. Commutative property. What does this means? We know that suppose if I take A and B as two numbers, integers, then A plus B will be equals to B plus A. This is the integer property. And in rational numbers, what is the property? If I take A upon B as one rational number and second I take C upon D, then if we add it, so A upon B plus C upon D will be equal to C upon D plus A upon B. This is known as our commutative property. As we have already studied these properties in the integers, the same we have to study in the rational number also. If I take an example For example, minus 5 upon 7 plus 3 upon 5. So how we are going to solve it? We are going to take the LCM. LCM will be 35. Now minus 5 into 5 plus 3 into 7. 5 into 5 will be minus 25 plus 3 into 7 will be 21 upon 35. The answer will be how much? Minus 4 upon 35. Right? Now reverse it and solve it. This was A and this was B. Right? Now reverse it. 3 upon 5 plus minus 5 upon 7. Solve it. LCM will be how much? 35. Now 3 into 7 minus 5 plus minus 5 into how much? 5. What do you get? 3 into 7 21 minus 25 upon 35 is equals to 25 minus 21 is 4 upon 35. Sign will come up the greater number 25. See, in both the cases answers are same. Thus the property verifies. Third property. Third property is associative property. What does this property means? If I take three rational numbers, say A upon B, then C upon D and E upon F. If we add them, what we are going to get? See, A upon B plus C upon D will be equal to, now here we have added first two terms and the third we have added afterwards. Now this part will be equal to what? A upon B plus in the bracket second and third term C upon D plus E upon D. Let's solve it. This also we have already studied in integers. Let's solve taking an example. Example is minus 2 upon 5 plus 11 upon 5 plus minus 3 upon 5. Solve it. How we are going to solve? LCM is 5. Minus 2 plus 11 minus 3 upon 5. What is the answer? 9 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. LCM is 5, right? 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 upon 5 is the answer. Taking these on the next part. See, A upon B was minus 2 upon 5, right? Now plus C upon D was 11 upon 5 plus minus 3 upon 5 was E upon F. This is E upon F. E upon F, right? Now solve it. Let it be like this only. First we are going to solve the bracket part. So 5 is the LCM. Now 11 minus 3. Minus 2 upon 5. 11 minus 3 is how much? 11 minus 3 is 9. Plus 9 upon 5. Now LCM will come 5 only. 1 positive, 1 negative. Minus 2 plus 9. What will be the answer? 11 minus 3 will be 8. Right? Now minus 2 plus 8. Subtracted, 8 is positive and 2 is negative. So answer will come 6 upon 5 and sign will come of the greater number. See, now both the answers are same, hence associative property is verified. Next property, property 4. Property 4. Property 4 is property of 0. What does this property means? The sum of any rational number and 0, the sum of any rational number and 0 with the sum of any rational number with any rational number is always a number itself. I am again repeating it. The sum of any rational number and 0 or the sum of 0 or any rational number is the number itself. The sum of any rational number and 0 or the sum of 0 and any rational number is the number itself. Let's take an example. Minus 3 upon 5 is the example, right? Now see, if we add 3 minus 3 plus 0, then what we are going to get? Minus 3 upon 5. If we add 0 with minus 3 upon 5, here we have add 0 with minus 3 upon 5 and here we have add minus 3 upon 5 with 0. So the answer is 3 upon minus 3 upon 5. See, again in both the cases answer are same, hence the property of 0 verified. That's all for today. Learn all the 4 properties and tomorrow we are going to start with our exercise based on these properties. Thank you.